Hi there, welcome to Homeschooling with Hira. Today we shall learn a new sound with two different digraphs like A and W make the sound ow, and A and also make the sound ow. So come on, let's see some examples. First we will see A, W, ow words. Okay. Try to read with me. Owl, owl. Cla, you know what is this? It's cla, ow. Cloud. Read it together. Cloud. Cla, ow. Cloud. Clown. Ow. Ow. How. How. Go, ow, gown, gown, gown. D, ow, down, down, down. Ow, ow, now, now. Now you see our words with A and A. A are sounds ow. The first is out, out, out. Out, out loud, out loud, loud. Pra, this is a bland pra, ow, proud, proud, proud. The word is proud. Ow, how, house, house. This A is silent, okay? The word is house. Cla, ow, cloud, 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 cloud. Gra, ow, grow, gra, ow, grow, ground, ground, ground. Let's read it together. Ground, ground. The word is ground. Thank you for watching. I hope you have liked the video and you have got it as well. I shall see you next time. Till then, bye-bye.